Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and let's see today about MS Word page layout. Already we have seen in previous video about a basic of MS Word, home page, insert page and design view. Three of already we have seen. We have home page, all menu we have seen, and insert page, all menus, and design layout everything we have finished. Now we'll see a page layout. So here especially page layout will be work on that for page settings. So first one we'll see here page margins. So how to set the margins in page? So you can see here normal page will be the page settings, left side, right side, okay, and you can be keep in the side also. If you want manually also, you can be use the manually. Narrow means very little gap will be there, four sides you can see 0.5 0.5 like this, and moderate, wide, or if you want to be set as custom margin also, you can be set as it will available here custom margin. When you click here custom margin, you can see the margins. Top margin you can be 1 inch here. If you want to be increase, you can be increase here, you can be type it. Okay, left margin, bottom, right, four sides margins will be there, you can be used. And you can use here, this is the gutter. So when you are putting your file as a binding, so that time gutter is required. Gutter means somewhat gap will be there, so you can put here gutter. You can see here this preview downside, it will show you gutter how space gap is there. You can see here I am left side somewhat gap is there for making the hole for binding like this you can use. And here is the gutter position. There are four position, I think two will be there, left and top. Because if you select top, it will change the top gutter. If you select the left gutter, it will select the left. So if you want to make binding left side, you have to select left gutter. If you want to binding top, you can use the top one. So again it's come here orientation, page orientation. One is the portrait, like normally A4 size vertical position. One is the landscape, you can see here horizontal position. There are two types of paper position will be there, that is called orientation, page orientation. So if you want pages multiple single also, you can be check. Normally we will use normal only, otherwise you can use mirror also. You can see here down to per sheet, book fold. So how you want, you can be take the paper design in that one. And paper like letter is there, A4 is there, A3 is there, depend upon your work you have to select. And default width height will be there. If you want to change that height and width, you can be change, otherwise you can be select the default one. And one more come here layout, new page or new column, if you want you can use. But normally we are using margin settings, and paper only we are using. So depend upon your requirement, you can be change and you can be select the margins. And second here come, you can see margin orientation, page orientation. Portrait means same as I said, vertical position, how your normally pages are available. So landscape means the same, here you can see page wise. The page will be designed as a horizontal, so width will be more and height will be less. Portrait here what happened, height will be very less, more, and width is less, so it's co opposite directly. You can see the page size. Page normally you are using A4 and A3 and legal size and letter. So depend upon the your content or page print, you can be used for the page one. And you can select here columns also. If you want to be in page one column, two column, okay, you can see here changing two columns. When you're seeing the newspapers, they'll make reading column wise. When you're writing content to send somebody, or if you want to make set as a column wise, there you have to be select the columns, one column, okay, it will two column, three columns, okay, which are kind of columns you can use it, okay, depend upon the work you can use the columns. And you can see here it is a page break. So already we have seen the page break and column break. So if you want to break the page, you can use the wherever cursor is there, from there it will be break the page, that is called page break. Okay, you can use a page break, or you can be use column break also. If your column is there, you can use the column break also, okay. So normally it is not that much useful will be there. So columns, if you want to be break, page break, column break, you can be used. Or if you want to be click here next page, so next page will come here. So already it will go from cursor, where cursor I am putting cursor from here, just next page. If I click here, next page, you'll go the next page. Or you can use as a page break also, you can use for the page breaking. And continuous even page or page, like if page numbers, when you keeping the if you want to select only particular pages, even pages means 1 3 5 7 like this. Or page means, sorry, even page means 2 4 6, and odd is 1 3 7, odd numbers, you can see that is. And this is for indent. Indent means like here tabs are there. See, suppose I have kept here, so I want to keep the indent here, left indent I want to be keep here, or one tab. Just I click one means one will be the move there. Or you can use tab also, but here it's basic given the left side indent 2. You want to figure that 3 also, you can use the 3 content. So depend upon the where you're putting the cursors, you can use the tab, or you can use 4. So depend upon, you can use the tab, you can use. See, this is moving indent, that is called left indent and right indent. If you want to keep the same right side, see this mean I am clicking here, I want to clip indent here 2. So when I click here indent, so 2 tabs, you can see here indent is one tab to one tab, untab to another tab, that is a 2 tabs from point indent will be there. So that is called the indent. You can change the indent. And you can see here spacing, you want to keep spacing between lines. See, I want to select these 4 lines. Okay, there I want to be keep as, I want to be keep the line spacing. See here before 6 18 34 is there, before means upside, you can see. Okay, after also you can, if you want to be keep, you can keep the afterwards also line spacing. Okay, you can use the line spacing. If you want, you can keep the line spacing between two lines or upside, you can use the line spacing. And one more come here, position. Suppose I have selected here, I want to keep the position of where text position or image position. See, this is, you can select here, I selected this one, so position is come here, so surrounding this position be here. Okay, if you want to select the position this one, this side, you can come here this side. If I select the position the top middle, it will come the middle one. Okay, where you have selected, that will come the position. Okay, you can use. So normally we are using position, is I am giving center. So this is the position. Okay, so which kind of, or if you want to be text wrap, so this is a text wrap, you can see square means only square free will be there, no text will become the around. So suppose I will take one image, it will be better understand you. Suppose I want to take one shape here. Suppose this is my own shape, I want to write the content here, so this I want. So there I will be select here page layout. In text drop, I want to select here this one, top and bottom. So only text will be the top and bottom here, this side, and this side will be gap. So if I select here again text wrap, I want to keep like this one. Okay, this square one I want, or this one I want. So which kind of design you want to be there, you can take the design, and surrounding of that text will be not available. If you want to be text on the page also, you have to use, see here behind text, or you can use in front of text, you can use. Okay, this is for the wrapping. You can use edit wrap points also, you can drag like this. Okay, points also you can make fix. So from means point means what, from here to here it not be, the text will not be there. Okay, like this you can be make the point of text wrapping. And in coming here bring forward and bring backward. Forward means what happens, see I have second one more this clip art. So I will keep another name, you can see here another color. See, I want to be send this one as see blue is somewhat back side, I want to make bring forward. Just you click here bring forward, see blue is coming back. So same I want to be cake orange is back, orange is front. So bring forward orange, I have selected forward came. So same send backward also you can use it. So forward backward both you can be used here to be select the bring front also you can be use. Forward front both are same only. If you want to be with text also you can use send behind the text. You can be check the behind the text also you can be send. See behind text, or you can be send the back of that one. Okay, I select there this one, so you can use normally. So behind text here, and selection panel also you can use. See, I have selected this one, I want to make the hide this one. Okay, hide all. So whichever I selected, it will be hide. Show all means it will show there. So if you want to be hide or show there, you can use the you can use the tab, that one. So it will be selection pane. And alignment come what, text alignment, left side, right side. See, suppose this text is there, ms word, I want to make alignment as a alignment center, already center is there, I want to make that one is left. When I click, it's coming left side. When I click right side, alignment center is alignment right side, so right came. Alignment center, it came, it will center. So alignment means what, the position of text, center, up, down, your top, middle also you can keep here, middle coming. Okay, you want to be keep here bottom coming, you want to keep here top, it coming top. So where you want to be keep the alignment, so alignment is text position, you can keep. And you can rotate also. See, I want to make rotate here 90 degrees, right side 90 degrees. Okay, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Okay, more action also you can be take here. Text position, you can center is there, you can be make right or left. Okay, text wrapping. So text wrapping, what happens, see, as per image you can see this image is there. So after image upside and downside text will be available here, surrounding text will be available here, also available. So like this you can see behind text. So text back side image will be there, front side, yeah, on the top you can write the text. Here what happened, it will be bring the up, image will be up and down with the text. So depend upon your content, depend upon your work, you can project, you can be use as a your text settings. So I hope it's very helpful you. Please like, subscribe and comment.